Today we have this fine leather belt. It's 1.5 inch double thick, double stitch saddle brown premium Herman oak leather. It comes from the Bullard leather manufacturing in Texas. And now we're going to take a close look and show you just how good the quality is. Now you can see some of the fine craftsmanship in this belt. It's double thick. It's got the double stitching in it. Really nice buckle. And we're fixing to put a holster on here and just show you how sturdy it is with a 1911 on it. Like this is a clear firearm. Now you can see there is no sag. This is a very comfortable belt, will last you for many years. And I think you need to check them out at their website. Now you can see the quality of this belt. They also do custom work on these. They'll fix them any way you want with special tooling. You can have your name, any kind of design. Small family-owned business. They make some fine-looking holsters from what I've seen on their website. I highly suggest you look at them and check them out. Some people like leather, some like Kydex, some like nylon and all their gun belts in their holster. But the key when you buy a nice firearm is have a nice belt and a nice holster to go with them and take care of them. Check them out at their site today. I can't stress that enough. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.